If you're experiencing login issues on GCash, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear app cache. Go to your device's settings, find the GCash app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches affecting your login. Step 4. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to GCash customer support for assistance. They can provide further guidance and help resolve your login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on GCash quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.